Hey guys, Kaitlyn here, and it's Ashley. We're gonna do a competition on who can sing better, and so we don't know who to pick, so we're asking you guys. And we really want to be singers when we grow up, so rate, comment, subscribe, and if you know any music producers or you guys are music producers, hopefully you can help us get to where we want to be when we grow up. So here Ashley goes. Oh yeah, and no rap or no tune. Sorry about that. And please rate, vote, comment, and subscribe. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. You say it's hard to picture, but you not get it to me. You say it's too late to make it. You say it's too late to try. You say it's hard and wasted. All of our bridges burnt out. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights now and paralyzed. You stuck in the time when we called it love, but even the sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Maybe it's all wrong. Where all the plans we made for two? Is happy ever after didn't exist? I would still be holding you like this, and all these fairy tales are full of it. One more freaking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone to go back on tomorrow. If you forgot yesterday, give me my love to borrow. You just gave it away. Can't expect me to be fine. Can't expect me to care. You said, no, I said it before, 'cause all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights now and paralyzed. You stuck in the time when we called it love, but even the sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Maybe it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Is happy ever after didn't exist? I would still be holding you like this, and all these fairy tales are full of it. What a freaking love song, now they say. Now I'm at a payphone. That was the whole thing we could do since we're not doing the rap, so here I go. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my changes, things on you. Where are the times gone, baby? So wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, no one's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture. You're not here next to me. It's too late to make it. Or is it too late to try? And the time that you wasted, all of our bridges burnt down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the sun when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the plans gone, baby? So wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more freaking love song, I'll be sick. Oh, turn your back on tomorrow. You forgot yesterday. Get my love borrowed, you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I would expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of the bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change has thanks on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of air. One more freaking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. I hope everyone liked that. We really hope you do. And don't forget to tell us who won and rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.